Morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fit and fine. I hope everyone is doing great. So, kids, we have seen what is profession. We have also seen what are vowels. Again, we will recap about profession and vowels. Then today, we'll start with articles. I have prepared the flowchart for it. I'll explain you. But first, let us recap about profession and vowels. Already explained you what is profession. Profession means people who are engaged in different activities according to their skill to earn their livelihood, means to fulfill their basic needs. I have shown you certain example also. Again, I'll show you the example. Barber cuts our hair. Baker who bakes cakes, chocolates, cookies, etc. Carpenter who makes furniture. Postman who delivers letter packages from door to door. Fireman who saves us from fire. And the last, doctor who cures ill or sick people. We've already revised about profession. Once again we will revise. People do different things to earn a livelihood. This is called their profession. There can be many different professions. For example, a person who teaches student is a teacher. A person who cooks food in a restaurant is a chef. A person who treats sick people is a doctor. We have already discussed the exercise. Once again, we'll do the recap of the exercise. So, shall we start? Okay. We are doing the recap. So, again, we'll revise about profession. Person involved in different activities according their skill to earn their livelihood is known as profession or occupation. For example, teacher, lawyer, doctor, policeman, etc. Again, we are revising the worksheet. Match the nature of work to the correct profession in the table. A person who stitches clothes, tailor. A person who delivers letters, postman. A person who cures the sick, doctor. A person who writes book, author. A person who grow crops, farmer. B. Choose the correct profession to describe the people below. In bracket, it is given teacher, dancer, painter, baker, chef. So we'll start with the question. First, Neha loves to dance. She is a dancer. Sunita teaches in a school. She is a teacher. Ronnie makes beautiful paintings. He is a painter. Raman makes yummy cakes. He is a baker. Yogita cooked delicious food in a restaurant. She is a chef. Question. Match the picture with correct profession. We have already revised, but once again we'll revise. First picture was of cricketer. Second, swimmer. Third, footballer. I hope now you are clear with the profession. We have also done vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. As you know, in our English alphabets, there are 26 letters. 5 are vowels and remaining are consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the others are consonants. So today we'll start with articles. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Already done vowels. Again we will revise. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Out of this, 5 are vowels and the remaining 21 are consonants. So look at the question. Again we'll recap about vowels. Then after that we will start with articles. Okay, shall we start? Okay. Already explained you about vowels and consonants. Again we'll do the recap of it. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U and they are used before words that begin with vowel sounds. Consonants means remaining letters. 2.4 Filling the blanks using 5 vowels to make meaningful words. First one, we love to read this book. Here vowel is O and the consonants are B and K. We sit on this chair. CHAIR. Here vowel is A and I. CHR are consonants. We eat this food. FOOD food. Here vowel is O. Consonants are F and D. One, this protect us from rain. Umbrella, UMBRELLA. Here vowel is A, E, U. MBRLL are consonants. Fifth, we laugh at his joke. Joker, JOKER. Here vowel is O and E. JKR are consonants. We use this to clean our teeth. Toothbrush, TOOTHBRUSH. Here vowel is OU. THBRSH are consonants. We live here. House, HOUSE. House. Here vowel is OUE. H and S are consonants. We use this to join together. Glue, GLUE. Glue. Here vowel is UE and the consonants are GL. Previous class means in your first standard, you might have heard about a or an, means A or AN. They are articles. We use this before singular nouns. A is used before singular nouns beginning with a consonant sound, and an is used before singular noun but beginning with a vowel sound. I will explain you through flow chart. So here I am starting with the flow chart. Explain you about articles. I'll explain you through flow chart. Alphabet, there are 26 letters. It is divided into two parts, vowels and consonant. Vowels are 5, A, E, I, O, U. Consonants are 21, means other letters, B, C, D. We use an when the word begins with vowel sound, like umbrella. It is starting with U and U is a vowel. So we will use an umbrella, an aeroplane. Same with consonant. We will use a when the word begin with consonant sound, like H, house, H. So we will write a house, a car. Explain you what are articles through flowchart. Now we'll do the exercises. So shall we start with an exercises? Okay, let's start. I have already explained you about articles. I have also shown you the flowchart. Again we will see. We have already learned about nouns. Nouns means naming words. We use a or an before singular nouns. For example, a boy, an egg, a girl, an orange, a ball. A is used before singular nouns beginning with a consonant sound. An is used before singular nouns beginning with a vowel sound. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. For example, an owl, an apple, an ice cream. A and N are called articles. Articles are words that show whether we are talking about a particular noun or any general noun. So just have a look at the exercise. For the answers, I have prepared the PPT. We'll discuss there. Just look at the questions. After that, we'll discuss the exercise. So shall we start? Okay. I have already explained you about articles. Here again we will see what are articles. A and are called articles. Articles are words that show whether we are talking about a particular noun or any general noun. A is used before singular nouns beginning with the consonant sounds. Example, a boy, a girl, or a ball. An is used before singular nouns beginning with the vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. Example, an egg, an honest, or an orange. Already seen the questions, so here are the answers. Look at the picture, write a or an before the nouns. A house, an ant, an ink pot, a cup. Keep filling the blanks with a or an. I have bought dash new book. So answer will be a. My mother gave me dash apple for breakfast, and because apple is starting with A and A is a vowel. This is an old car. Similarly, old is starting with O. So, O is a vowel, so we will use an. Let us sing a song. It's a consonant sound, as is a consonant sound. So, we will use a. My sister is an English teacher. Neha has a bad headache. I have dash umbrella and give me dash soap to wash my hands. Hope now you are clear with profession, vowels, a little bit articles. Please kids, keep referring our videos which we have uploaded on our school website. It will help you. Till then, I end my session here. I hope you enjoyed the session with me. Goodbye. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay at home.